Hello children, we have learned about expanding and short forms and writing number names so far in the previous videos. We will learn more about numbers in this video. We first start with a comparison of numbers. The numbers can be compared from left to right. If the digits are equal at a place, then compare the right digit at the next place. Now we understand this concept by using two examples. We take two numbers 349 and 394. We place these two numbers in the place value tables. Here, first we check the digit at the 100 place. We find 3 equals to 3 in both the numbers. Now we move on to the tens place. Here we find 4 is less than 9. So we conclude that 349 is less than 394. In another example, we take two numbers 768 and 769. We place both the numbers in the place value table. Here we start from the hundreds place. We find both the digits equal as 7. Now we move on to the tens place. Here again both the digits 6 same. Now we move on to the ones place. We find that 8 is less than 9. Hence we conclude that 768 is less than 769. Now we can also arrange the numbers very easily. After knowing comparing the numbers, we can easily arrange a set of numbers either in ascending or descending orders. In ascending orders, we have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest. And in descending orders, we have to arrange the numbers from the largest to the smallest. To understand this, we take an easy example. In this example, we have a sequence of some numbers. We have to arrange first in ascending order. We arrange it like 9, 13, 23, 45, 56 and 70. We arrange the above sequence from the smallest 9 to the largest 70. And in descending order, we arrange the above sequence as 70, 56, 45, 23, 13 and 9. Here we arrange the above sequence from the largest 70 to the smallest 9. Now we know about ordering numbers. Predecessors. Let us know first about predecessor. A number that just come before any number is called predecessor. For example, 55 comes just before 56, hence 55 is the predecessor of 56. And what is successor? A number that comes just after a number is called successor. Example, 87 comes just after 86, hence 87 is the successor of 86. That's it for today in numbers. Thank you, children.